Hello everyone, what you see there is an AR-15 that's been America's rifle since the 60s. Created by American engineer Eugene Stoner, who was in the airline industry. He found a way to use the lightest materials, strongest materials, and made would be one of the best ever military weapons ever made. It's been used by military since the 60s and used by militaries all over around the world and pretty much almost every police department in America. It is called America's gun. Lightweight, reliable, durable, very accurate, and can be accessorized in many ways. But as anyone would tell you, the AR-15 is one pain in the neck to keep clean and get clean. The bolt carrier, and the start chamber alone are difficult, and the fact that you got all the tiny crevices inside the receiver area, and it's a lot of work. But that product right there in front of you, XF7, makes AR-15 cleaning a lot easier. Since I've been using this stuff, cleaning my AR-15 is a lot easier and not the tedious, ridiculous task it used to be. So why not have the great American rifle get cleaned by a great American cleaner? XF7, made by Donald Christie of North Carolina, and he also has a place over here in Massachusetts. It's waterproof, no petroleum, all natural, O-ring friendly, non-toxic. So if you have a nose of a bloodhound like my wife does, she no longer complains about Hoppy's number 5 or bowel stall. This stuff smells like, the board cleaner, like Bailey's Irish Cream. The spray lubricant smells like either orange or Hunter's Blend, which smells like topsoil. So I highly recommend it. Go to xf7gungrease.com, order yours today. You will not be sorry. And tell Don Christie I sent you. Lock and load. Alright, we're back everyone, and today we're going to have a battle of 36 grain ammos. We're going to go with 36 grain high velocity Armscor, which are hollow points, and of course we go with the legendary hollow point Mini Mags from CCI. So it's the first time we've done a 36 grain competition. I've been doing this. Let's waste no time. Armscor for 36 grain has done very well, and it's, for the most part, so has Mini Mags. Pretty much the only two we've had that have done well in 36 grain. Alright, here we go. This is Armscor. Locked back open. Alright. Mini Mags. Locked back open. Alright, let's check them out. Let's go. Every inside the triangle. Square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a good group. Very good group. Alright, Mini Mags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far, advantage to Mini Mags. but both performing very well. Let's go to the 10. Alright. Yep. Armscor. Lock back open. Alright, over to Mini Mags. Locked back open, so we're dead even on functionality. No faded fees, no faded extracts, no jams on. When the blocks back open in the last round. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So far, Armscor is still doing well. Mini Mags are doing even better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. Alright. Let's go to 15. Alright, Armscor from the 15. Uh-oh. Light primer strike. Actually, no. That was a used round I used before. Alright. I'm not going to hold it against the gun. That's an ammo thing. Uh-oh. This is the other one I had trouble with the other day. I should have thrown them back in the same box. Alright, last round hole open. Let's go get 2 more rounds to make this fair. No, let's see. Yeah, that's my fault. Shouldn't have thrown those bed rounds back in the box. Alright. Alright, all 30 rounds functioned well. Another extra round hole, boom. Alright, 15-yard line for Mini Mags. Alright, last round hole open. So functionality goes, they both performed flawlessly. So, shouldn't be surprised. And this is, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, go 10 right there. Alright, so overall, Armscor 36 grain did the job. It has. But it looks like the winner's going to be Mini Mags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Yep. Here's your Armscor, which did very well. Mini Mags did even better. We had 1, 2, 3, 5 outside the triangle for Armscor, a square, a diamond, we want to call it, and only one outside for the Mini Mag. So the winner of this bout of the 36 grain ammo is going to go to CCI Mini Mags, but Armscor performed well also. So if you're going to do 36 grain ammo in your Glock 44, these are the two you want to use. Alright everyone, protect your loved ones, keep the country in prayer, and we'll talk to you later.